On this episode of Shiny G 88's Computer Repair, I show you the Camduck Nx. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the Camduck Nx. This is a new model and it has night vision. So as you see, like usual, it comes with the Camduck logo. If we open it up, like last time, you get the instruction manual. And this is the unit itself. There is a design change on here. That's what that looks like. Instead of the what I call the German Shepherd ears, you get this and you can put your phone on top. So, as usual, you get the guitar pick thing to open up this. On this one, it's on the back. So we pull that out and it's just an empty box. Okay, so what you want to do, I know I have a ton of these since I have a few Camduck products. Take this right here and there we go. It's at the top. That comes out and your SD card goes in right here. But for this purposes, I'm not going to put an SD card in there. I'm just going to straight up run it. So I got to download the app here. Give me just 1 second. So right here, if you look right here, this is your night vision. This actually has night vision. It's the first one from this particular line to have night vision. So let me plug it in. Oops. Give me just 1 second here. And I will plug it in. So alright, sorry about that. So I'm going to plug it in just like this. There we go. So let me make sure that's in correctly, and it is. There we go. See, there's a blue light here and all that. So now you go to the app. And you allow Bluetooth and all that. So you have to turn on location, but alright, so there we go. So back to the app. Okay, there we go. So now it's giving me the instructions. You click Add, which is right up here. There we go. We're going to do close range monitor settings because everybody's network is different. So I'm going to do this. It says loading. I don't think I turn on Bluetooth, so let me do that real quick. I did not. So let's turn that on real quick. Okay, so that is turned on. There we go. So I'm going to push OK. And it says if the blue light is blinking, which it is. So now I got to connect the camera to Wi-Fi. And it says, when you check it, it says tick, which means you're telling the camera, hey, do this. So now I push that. This is a generic passcode. So it's not specific to my network. So now I go to my network.
Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting with Camduck issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app.
And you can hear it.
To the Wi-Fi signal starting with Camduck issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app. Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting with Camduck issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app.
So we'll do Wi-Fi. And you can see where it says Camduck 012259.
And then click to return to the app. Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting with Camduck issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app. Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting with Camduck issued by the camera, and then.
There we go. So since it's connected to the Wi-Fi, even though it says no internet connection, it's connected to Wi-Fi. Alright, so I did that.
Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting with Camduck issued by the camera, and then click.
So now I got to connect it to a network.
To the Wi-Fi signal starting with Camduck issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app. Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting
there we go.
with Camduck issued by the camera, and then click to return.
There we go. So it's there. And it's telling my network is telling me a new device has been there. So it's connected.
Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting with Camduck issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app. Please connect to the.
There we go. And this is your information. Sorry, there's an IP address and I don't want that shown. Alright, so I click add to, and you click allow while using the app. It said found one camera. Okay, cool. So there we go. So now what we can do is I can go to device. Oh, there we go. You see that? That's me you're looking at. I'm going to push OK. We're going to go back because I don't want to do that just yet. So if we go to, see, it's 1080p and then there's 4K. So this is a 4K camera. So now if we go to recording, it's recording right now. This is going on the internal memory. Also, when you record, it puts it on your phone. It saves it as a video file. So I'm going to push that again, and there we go. So if I push that, it'll actually work. So let's go to maximize here. And you can take pictures. You could do all sorts of things with this. And when the lights go out, you should see a light right here. So I'm going to turn off my room light and it should automatically come on. So give me just 1 second. All right, so if I put my phone up here, that is what you are looking at right now. You're looking under my bed. And if I turn it, you're looking at me. You are literally looking at me right now. So the night vision comes on automatically. You don't need to do anything to it. Pretty cool, huh? This is really cool. So now what I could do is I could do a recording. I'll record that's the back of my hand. I know that looks kind of creepy. So if I push record, you can see it. So I'm going to stop recording and I should be able to pull it up. I can. If I push albums, nothing's there. So let's see. Ah, there we go. Albums is there. So if I push this, push play, that's me you're looking at. Push back, which is right up here. I'm going to select this. That is me you're looking at. So I'm going to turn the light back on. Now this one doesn't have a light that turns on, but it automatically switches, which is absolutely one of the best things. So that way, say you have this plugged into a computer's uninterruptible power supply. I have one hooked up to my computer. You can plug this in and use it, no problem. Let's say the power goes out. You have this plugged into a plug that's connected to the battery itself on that uninterruptible power supply. The room goes dark, night vision comes on. So this is pretty cool. It's the same as everything else, but it has a ridge here to put the phone instead of the German Shepherd ears. So this thing is really cool. I love this thing. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.